Hey, it's Stevie, and I'm the owner and creative designer of the Fair and Party. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a no-sew mini Tutu diaper cake centerpiece. The theme is rainbow unicorn, so I have 6 different colored tulle, 2 1.5-inch ribbons, and a 7/8 inch ribbon. I also have a big purple bow and some unicorn cutouts that I ended up not using. I also have a rubber band, a 6-inch cake pan, and of course diapers. I use 12 size 1. First, I place 10 diapers in the cake pan and fan them out evenly. After I space the diapers out evenly, I wrap the rubber band around it to hold it together. Next, I measured my ribbon by wrapping one around the diaper cake until the ribbon overlaps by about 1/2 inch. Then I cut the ribbon at the overlap. I cut the other 2 ribbons the same length as the first by measuring them with the first ribbon. Then I sealed the ends with fire. This part isn't always necessary, but it helps if your ribbon ends stray too much. Mine didn't, I was just being extra. Next, I put hot glue on one of the ribbon ends and overlapped it with the other end. And I repeat with the other 1.5-inch ribbon. Once the glue has dried, which only takes a few seconds, I place the ribbons around the diaper cake. Then I adjust them so they're even and touching, but not overlapping. I want the ribbon to be snug around the diaper cake, so I make a hole in the middle by rolling it around my fingers and adding 2 rolled diapers to the center. To make the tutu, I started off by cutting 10-inch strips of each tulle roll. 8 or 9-inch strips works too. It wasn't until this day, 3 colors later, when I realized I didn't have to suffer in pain while making these. I first folded the tulle in half, then hot glued one end of the fold to the ribbon. Instead of using your bare fingers like this wise one is doing, get one of those hot glue finger protectors. I didn't have one, so I just used paper. 3 colors later. While keeping the fold in place, I folded the tulle towards the beginning and glued in place. I continue this for the length of the tulle, making a pleated skirt look. Each tulle strip should take up about 3 inches of the ribbon. I had some excess of the tulle, so I just cut it off. With each new tulle strip, I overlapped a bit of the previous, then continued pleating. Next, I put some hot glue on the outer sides of the 7/8 inch ribbon and placed it in the center of the other two ribbons. This is so the glue doesn't seep between the ribbons and get on the diapers. Then I wrap the ribbon around the diaper cake and glue one end over the other. I was originally going to use this large purple bow, but it was just too distracting and too huge. I wasn't feeling the unicorns either. I decided to use these smaller blue bows because it's not as distracting and it doesn't take away from the tutu and the overall design of the diaper cake. For the topping, I used some pre-mixed shred that I made for one of my other unicorn tutu diaper cakes. I just balled it up so I can tangle it up some more and place it on top. I purchased the files for these baby girl cutouts from an Etsy shop called Divine Digital Diva, and I printed and cut them out with my Silhouette Cameo. For the finishing touch, I glued both cutouts to a 4-inch stick and placed it in the center of the diaper cake. I hope my tutorial on how to make a mini tutu diaper cake was helpful. Check out my channel for more videos on how to make other types of cool diaper cakes.